around drones so that any individual can simply download an application and start learning about this technology now, and also start doing different missions that has them learning the stick functionalities before they actually operate a real drone. Now we've taken that a little bit further and built out Dronia, which is our virtual immersive environment. With VR, right, this is another technology that we can leverage to simulate anything, right? So we're able to simulate an agricultural field and have the students be able to fly it so they understand the concepts and kind of put it in practice virtually before they go out into the field. This has allowed the students to operate more confidently once they get out in the field, and also kind of curve the learning curve a little bit once they get there. And then lastly, we had a course that we paired with that to help the students really hone in and learn how to build these virtual environments as well. Literacy is a big thing for us, so we created the adventure of Panda, the drone safety bear, and all his friends. The concept behind that was to literally teach the concepts of drones and what they can do to young students, right? So Panda goes on various adventures, doing drone rescue, doing drone delivery, just a whole bunch of concepts that are actually being utilized in the real world so that the younger kids can actually understand this. And by the time they get our age, they'll be light years ahead of where we are now. And we also fabricated a bus. The bus is pretty much, it has a little bit of everything from drones, 3D printing, VR, and it's a way for us to go to various communities and expose as many people as we can to this technology. We have a big, hairy, audacious goal of training 1 million students by the year 2030. And this bus is actually helping us expose the programming so that more and more students are inclined to joining the program. And lastly, this is all part of our career pathway, all right? So we start with drone cadets, go into a drone building and repair course before they go into the Part 107 test prep to get their certification. Then they go into advanced drone operation with the work-based learning and real-world operations. And lastly, it is all to get them to jobs where, again, we partner with companies. For example, our latest partnership is with an energy company. And in the US, this energy company just received a large contract by the government. And the government allocates 30% of all contracts to be used on minority hiring and minority companies. So what we've done is we tapped into that pool of money to help sponsor multiple schools that are near this particular operation so that those students can get trained and then immediately go work with that same exact company on the exact contract that helped get them trained. All right? So this concludes a brief overview of drone cadets and what we do. And overall, I have about 8 years of experience all over the drone industry, operating in various fields. And I would see the same people at the job sites every time. So that told me that there's a gap, right, that we had to fill in terms of those that were legally certified versus those that were qualified to actually, operate in the space. So with this collaboration here and all the experts from different parts of the world, we will make sure that the training and curriculum that is provided to the citizens here in India are correct, that they're direct, and of course, that they make sense to the operations that are going on here as well as abroad. Thank you very much.